Yes, student, as I have shown you how you will going to place your finger. Now, after you place the finger, what you will going to do? Typing the capital letter. First, you on the caps lock, and after on the caps lock, you will type on the capital letter. Then type the symbols. Different pattern of symbols are there. Then typing the sentence, you will start after that typing the sentence. Slowly and slowly, you will move, creating a new line. You are aware you are using them. Your hand is also fixed. So this is a just a theoretical guideline I am giving you for your writing the answer, isn't it? Make sure the cursor position is in the right type guiding is there. What is the type guiding? Pointing the mouse pointer. Say how you're going to place the mouse. This is a left button, this is the scroll bar, this is the right button. So your finger, this is your finger will go here, this finger will go here, and this hand will go by the side. This way you will going to work with the mouse. Okay, mouse pointer is there. As soon as you point correct, this is the incorrect way that your finger will be at the up. This is the okay, this is the incorrect position, this is the correct position, this is also the correct position, this is an incorrect position. So correct position is this way you will your this finger will little bit up, this finger will be at the top, this is not at that and hand position should be at a straight, see, not in this way. These all are the incorrect way. This is the correct way you will position your hand, isn't it? This way you will see the mouse pointer. As you are seeing here mouse pointer, this cursor is a mouse pointer, isn't it? So mouse operator is there. This way you can operate the mouse. There is a click or a left click, that means use to select an item. Double click, you must know them, because to write the answer you require it. Double click is to start the program. Right click is to display the command that are available or the options that are available, isn't it? Drag and drop, you can click on the mouse on the right, and you can uh, bring something like dragging the particular thing. Drag and drop option is there. Scrolling, as I am doing here, the scrolling the screen and I am showing you the book, isn't it? Then blocking, you can block any particular thing by this particular. So this is the position. How you will going to sit? This is your right posture of sitting. Your chair should be straight, you should sit straight. This should be your viewpoint and view position, isn't it? Light should be from the back side to the front. This is the desktop should be of 680 to 720-meter height, isn't it? Your elbow should be slightly higher than the wrist and operator. See here, slightly higher than the wrist and operator. You should be slightly straight. This is the position how you're going to sit. Yeah, so this is the right position. You will sit straight and you will see the screen. This is the wrong way, you wrong postures that you will going to not follow up. The monitor, what is a monitor? There is a monitor is there. Your neck should be at the directly to the 60 to 65 centimeter or 17 inches to the screen. Mouse and the keyboard, that should be what, approximately distance is 20 centimeter. Okay, so you will be comfortable for doing it. Chair should be provided, a good chair to be provided there, where your back, lower back, and should support the chair properly, and you should sit on the table properly. Permanent, this is a permanent placement, positioning the keyboard. This is how you will going to position the keyboard, finger in the keyboard, and allocate your fingers. And this is how, this is means what, this is not stretching the keyboard, this is how you will move your finger. This is the allocations of your finger in the keyboard, isn't it? This way you will, these two will leave blank. So this way you will going to allocate. You can practice all these things from your book, it has been given. You can practice all these things how to write. So this is how your work is been done, and you can allocate it like LF, RF, MF, IF, IF. So this is Z, X, C, V. Which finger will go how when you will move it? See, as the finger is moving, one left finger, one left finger will go to 6, right finger will go to 2 and 7, middle finger will go to 3 and 8, the index finger will go to 4, right finger will go to 9, index finger will go to 5, and left finger will go to 0. Okay, this way you will move your finger. These are the finger movement. These all are the finger movement. Left finger, right finger, middle finger, index finger, index finger. Okay, how you'll full stop, comma, right finger, left finger, comma with a right finger, full stop with a left finger. So this is how you are going to place it. That means you are totally, it is a concept how you are going to do the thing. And successful keyboard tips is that you should press the thing in a feather touch. Don't give your whole body pressure. You should do the work in the horizontal